Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here, and I'm gonna do a hair tutorial for you because I'm like, why not? As I spin on my chair. I love hair tutorials on YouTube, so I thought why not just give you guys some. Thanks for your support on the last few I've been doing, so I'm just gonna kind of go with it. I actually get my hair cut next week, so I might have a little different shape, little different something, we'll see, and then maybe I'll do something again then. But this is just kind of one length with a little bit of texture at the ends, and I don't have really any layers. I did give myself kind of some little bangs, but golly, they're just so minute, so we'll see. I thought what I would do, since this is second day hair, I washed my hair yesterday. I always wash my hair at least every other day. Sometimes I go another day, but that's like, then I wear a hat or something. I don't even bother. I don't even bother with the dry shampoo and styling it. But this is if I am not washing my hair, but totally styling it using some kind of curling tool or flattening tool and product. So I thought I would share that. I actually did not put a lot of product in my hair yesterday. This is basically just heat protectant before I blew it dry. And then I didn't even hardly, I tried to blow it dry straight, just a little bit, but I didn't flat iron it or anything else. So today I'm going to use this inverted curling iron. It's a wand that's clipless, and it's got the skinny barrel at the base. This is Jose Eber. It's really old. This is an interchangeable barrel, and I have some other sizes. I actually think I broke one, but the handle still works. So like the T3 makes one like this. I think all the brands make something like this, and they're fun to have, where you can have this and then change what you want. It's got a heat setting. I've just plugged it in. Yeah. And I'm gonna push it up to, it's in Celsius, so I'm gonna do 200 degrees, which is something like 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but not quite. And I'm not gonna do the math because I don't remember the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. That was junior year. Maybe it was even 8th grade. I'm sure I learned it sooner than 8th grade, but whatever, I don't remember. I'm gonna brush through my hair. I need like more mirror. I kind of don't need to see what I'm doing, but I kind of do. It's been a couple months since I last had my hair trimmed, so I'm due. And I think it's been a month since I colored it with Madison, but I actually kind of don't remember. What I'm lately really into doing is combing it out, brushing it out from all the snarls, and then I am really liking just kind of parting the crown, the top part of my hair, getting it out of the way. My hair's so golden underneath. I used the violet shampoo on the balayage and highlighted. Once my hair gets like highlighted or balayaged, the sun goes to town on bleach. I mean, the sun does bleach hair, but you know what I mean. I might, well, okay. And we are gonna do, again, my tools are purchased pretty much drugstore, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Amazon. I don't spend a lot of money. I would love kind of a replacement of this inverted tool, this barrel, because I've had it for several years. I'm going in the front. So basically all I'm gonna do is grab little sections of hair, make sure they're smooth, and I'm gonna do rope twists around and hold them for, I don't know, 10 seconds. I don't really think about it. I don't really, yeah. So I kind of like it when it's just like that. I don't curl down to the end for a number of reasons. One, that's where I'm holding it, so I don't want to burn my fingers. And two, your ends, oh my gosh. I'm like, poor things, let them be. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way so you guys can see better. I feel like with second day hair, I have to make sure I'm really getting the curl in there good because it does want to relax. Fresh hair for me, freshly washed, curls real nice. So I might just go under the under area with either a flat iron or maybe just kind of throw in. This doesn't have to be precise. This isn't, you know, any kind of specific hairstyle where you can even go in a different direction. So I'm going to go forward this time. I've been going away from my face. I do like switching direction. Keeps the hair from getting all in one clump. This part's tricky because I'm always burning myself, so I'm just gonna go like that just to get a bend in the underneath hair, but not really, it doesn't have to be precise. It's just trying to get it so that it's not stick straight, looking weird underneath. I might do that later. And I'm just going around the back of my head so you can see what I'm doing. It's kind of the same. Which way is easier to see? I'm going away from, going in different directions, but I'm going away from my face. Kind of figure out where the middle of my head is in the back. Oh, sorry. Here. And I'm using the rod downward. Oops. Rope twists mean you're just kind of twisting the hair while you twist it around the barrel. I like it because then I feel like it gives more of a wave. If you really want to get a tighter wave, go higher up right here. And if you want to just kind of keep it relaxed. See, look at this. This is just straight and kind of long. This is why I need a haircut, because the underneath gets so long so fast and it loses shape. Also, I look really tan today. I used the Hourglass palette, and the bronzer in there is it's nice, but wow. I like it. I'm glowing. Also, I'm having a hot flash, so you know. I'm not doing anything with this. I am going to take, this is Living Proof. This is Bodybuilder. It's a volumizing spray and got it at Marshall's. I was so shocked, actually. So I'm just going to spray it at the roots of the hair that's still exposed. It says you can do a stronger spray or a lighter spray, and honestly, I don't really pay attention. I might go in a little bit with some hair powder. I love that for volumizing and also absorbing the oil, especially at the back of my head, right at the nape. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that. I'm not really touching them. I'm not really doing anything with them. All right, let's figure out where I want my part. You want to do that so that your hair direction, your curl is the direction you want it. Otherwise, you'll just get kind of like curly Q funny thingies, and you might not like the way they lay, and yeah, so there we go. I think kind of center, but not like right by the widow's peak center. I used to hate my widow's peak, and now I honestly don't care. I mean, I still kind of, it bothers me. It drives me crazy sometimes. I like a comb, and I'm just gonna pull I want to focus, this will be fun, get that, yeah, might as well do it right now on this side too. Alrighty. Remember that even though maybe you want your hairstyle like messy or textured, it's really a good idea to smooth it before you curl through it so that the shaft, the hair cuticle is flat and soft and, you know, lays flat while you're styling it with a heat tool, because then you'll prevent damage. All right, I'm gonna start from the back and just do that. Can you see that? Sometimes the top hair, if I have a smaller strand, I don't hold it in the curling iron too terribly long. And I'm actually gonna go in a different direction. See, because this is the part of my hair that's bleached and it's more fragile. So you do wanna be careful how hot you have your heat tool and how long you know. Oops. There we go. Okay. Also, I like to really get the top, so I'm getting the barrel at the right here to give myself more volume. I don't know if I'm explaining that very well, but see, I'm gonna wrap it up there and then try to really get more volume up there. Yeah. Not holding it too tight, just there we go. Letting that cool. Okay, let's see where my little bangs are. Okay, this works. Again, so much bronzer. Wow. All right. Brad Mondo says, leave the front less curled. It looks more modern. Okay. You say so, Brad. Sometimes I feel like I want them more curled because I can't, they want to just like collapse and it drives me crazy. Ooh. Gonna do some forward, backwards, forward, backwards. Oh, that one didn't take. There we go. This is gonna bug me, hang on. We need a little longer on this. And a little focus on the ends. There we go. But it wants to go the other, there we are. I forgot which direction I made it, so I was kind of forcing it. There. How's that? Yeah? Now, you can take another tool. You can take a flat iron. You can take whatever to add a different bend, straighten something you think is a little too intense. you know, there's no rule that says you don't use multiple tools for one hairstyle. I know sometimes we think, no, I got this. It's fine. But I really do like to take just like a flat iron. Okay, I'm gonna take this. This is L'Oreal Elvive Smooth Intense. This is a frizz taming serum. I use it on wet hair, but I like to have like a little bit, I just like a serum or an oil, something with a bit of slip, little dimethicone, little oil benefit, and or like a conditioner, you know, some kind of like hair cream. And I like to just kind of put it in my ends when I work through the curl. And then I'm just gonna, you know, this is a little bit like, you know, the way it looked when I styled it with the smaller barrel curling iron. I think I had, but this, it kind of gives the same, but I think it'll be more relaxed as the day goes on, whereas that curl really stayed longer. And, you know, maybe this is too curled. But that's okay. I like getting this. Okay, let's get her some volume, huh? It's kind of fun. I don't mind. I mean, this is kind of, for me, the fun part. It's like just the working product in your hair and making it big. It's like all my 80s dreams come true. You know who you are. We talked about this the last video. I didn't bring any hairspray over to my table, so I might do that. But it's just fun. You can really zhuzh. This is gonna definitely just kind of flatten as the day goes on. I'll walk my dog. It's kind of drizzly outside. You know, it's not gonna be like this forever, and I'm totally fine with that. I'm not here to get something perfect that I have, you know, something important to do. I mean, this is just kind of me enjoying my hair for today. Maybe getting some cute pictures on Instagram, that's about it. But, you know, so if tomorrow I feel like it looks okay and I run out of time and I don't shower, then yeah, that's fine too. I find that it looks better on the third day if I've curled it, so I might do that. Okay, so there you go. I hope this was fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. That's great for the algorithm. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.